The boy's first day at school drew everyone's attention, only because he was a hybrid of chimpanzee and human. In other words, a crossbreed in the traditional sense. The boy not only possessed a powerful physique, but also had intelligence surpassing ordinary people. The boy was born in a secret research facility, until a group of terrorists attacked the place. They claimed to be from an organization called the Animal Liberation Alliance. The purpose of this operation was to end cruel animal experimentation. All the animals imprisoned in the laboratory were released by them, but one pregnant mother chimpanzee on the verge of miscarriage was taken away separately by an organization member. She was sent to the nearest animal hospital. Before long, a product of human and chimpanzee was born. The American Academy of Sciences named this entirely new species Human Z. However, his biological father, Dr. Grossman, mysteriously disappeared. Later, the boy was adopted by a scientist who studied chimpanzees and given the name Charlie. When Charlie turned 15, his adoptive parents decided to send him to school. They explained Charlie's special circumstances to the school in advance. Yet on the first day of classes, Charlie still received countless strange looks. No matter where he went, he sparked small-scale discussions. In an era of highly developed internet, Charlie's identity was quickly discovered. Even during class, people stood at the door secretly observing him. Two girls were attracted by Charlie's cute appearance, but the two boys with them felt uneasy, because an ordinary adult chimpanzee's grip strength could easily exceed 500 pounds. However, Oz the guy in black scoffed at this. Just then, a commotion suddenly erupted in the distance. Turns out a cat was stuck in a tree, unable to get down. While everyone was discussing it, a figure wearing a hat quickly climbed up the trunk. It was Lucy, the class's gloomy model student. Lucy soon reached the cat on the branch. As she grabbed the cat and started descending, the branch she was sitting on suddenly cracked. The sound of the branch breaking happened to be heard by Charlie, who was in class. He immediately noticed the situation outside the window. In the next second, Charlie burst into action, scooping Lucy up around the waist, then landing steadily on the ground. The entire process calm and collected. Without saying a word, he turned and walked away. Oz, who witnessed the whole thing, couldn't help but marvel. This is the power of a chimpanzee. But his companion keenly observed that Charlie's speed and strength far exceeded ordinary chimpanzees. It could even be said that no creature in this world could perform the move he just did. At lunchtime, Lucy mustered the courage to sit across from Charlie. She curiously asked whether the world chimpanzees see is different from humans, but Charlie immediately turned the question back on her.
僕も不思議に思ってる。ヒューマンなのってどんな感じ？
Lucy felt like she'd found someone on her wavelength, her emotions suddenly becoming excited. She took the initiative to suggest becoming friends with Charlie. As the two were talking, two girls asked if they could take a photo with Charlie. When they saw that Charlie's lunch tray had only vegetables, they were somewhat puzzled. Could human Z's not eat meat? Charlie answered he could eat meat. It was just because his adoptive parents were strict vegans, so he'd never eaten meat before. But this statement invited new trouble. Oz walked over with his companions, clearly looking